Thank you guys for... I'm too dramatic. I need to... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra Nicole, and if you're new here, my channel is all about hauls. I try on things for you guys. I try on a lot of stuff that's highly requested. This time it was requested that I do a loungewear slash basics. So that's what I'm gonna do. I seen that Matte collection teamed up with Amreezy and they dropped a basics collection. Hunty, this collection is serving. It's giving me very much like basic Kim K. It's giving Skims. Like, so I decided to get some pieces. So I got a lot of freaking items, okay? I got a lot of basics. A lot of basics. A lot of basics. So, this is one thing that's totally missing from my wardrobe is basic stuff. The first thing I did get, I got this. Yo, I'm not feeling the material. I got this bodysuit. This is like in a charcoal type of color. What's this? The black. Looks like, oh, this one's black. So I got this black basic sleeveless bodysuit. And it has a zipper up the back. It seems very long and I'm very short. So if you're new here, I'm like 5'2". Let's see. The very first bodysuit. It fits okay. It is very scrunched up at the bottom because I am short. I did get this in a size, let's see. I got this in a size medium. Every single thing in this collection, I believe I got in a size medium. Okay, so the material is okay. I kind of wish it had like that resistant material to kind of like snatch you in, because I would like to be snatched in a little here. It's a very soft fabric though. It feels really, really comfortable, like really comfortable. But this is like a loungewear item. So, okay. Let's hop into the next item. Okay, so the next thing that I did get, I got this bodysuit in this chocolate brown color. It's long sleeve. I got this in the size medium. It does have the snap fastens. They seem a little, let's see. Okay. They're not that difficult to snap. It kind of has like a mock neck. And I got these to go with yeah, so I got the bodysuit to go with the matching leggings. And I got the leggings in a size large, but judging by the material that this is made out of, I definitely could have got a medium, because like I said, this is not that really resistant fabric. It's not like that like this Spanx fabric, I guess. What am I trying to say? Like, it's, I don't know. It's that stretchy, like, seriously, look how far this stretches. I really could have got a medium. Like, the band doesn't stretch as much, so I think the band is gonna like take you in, and it's pretty wide. But as far as this part, it stretches a lot. So maybe this large is gonna be a little bit too big for me. I don't know. Now, I can definitely say I like the two-piece set way better than the one-piece, because honey, this is a vibe, and this feels super freaking soft, super comfy. Like, oh my god, it's like I really could have got a medium in the bottoms, Yeah, I really could have got a medium in the bottoms, but I mean, this is gonna have to do. I do feel like this is the material that I could shrink if I really needed it to. If I really needed it to, I can shrink it some. But yes, I love this. I love the color too. This is bomb. Bomb.com. I think I might wear this today. The next thing I got was the same thing, but I got it in gray. So it's the same exact thing, same exact fit. The bottoms are large, the top is a medium. Okay guys, I'm not sure why, but I feel like the gray set is a little more snug than the brown set. Although I got them in the same exact color. That's so weird. Like the bottoms fit a little tighter to me. But I definitely love this. I say this all the time. Like, I think I'm gonna wear this today. But I really think I'm gonna wear this one today. The same exact set in black. But I think I like the gray. Like, I really do think I like the gray. Let me try on the black. So I got the same exact set in black. So I got the colors in chocolate black and charcoal gray. And this is the same way. Size large leggings, medium top. Okay guys, so the black set fits pretty snug too. I don't know what's up with the brown. The brown was snug, but it wasn't as snug as the gray or the black. So I'm not going to return it or anything, but I do also think that I want to get a couple more pairs of this, or I will shop some more of their basics because I really do like the material of the two-piece set. I don't like the material of the bodysuit because it doesn't snatch me in. It doesn't snatch me in as much as I would like it to. But I do like these two-piece sets. These leggings are super freaking comfy. And they are tall girl friendly unless I'm just short. So at the bottom, they're really, really scrunched up because they're a bit long. The next thing I want to show you guys. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so look at the box. Look at the box. Y'all, let's unbox this baby together. Let's unbox this baby together. I did take a sneak peek yesterday, so don't mind the paper. It comes with the custom tissue paper, the Brandon Blackwood. It also comes with a thank you card. So on the thank you card, it just says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. And can't wait to see you style it. XO, Brandon Blackwood. Okay. I don't have an everyday black bag. Oh my God, look at the dust bag. Look at the custom, look at this. It's giving luxury. It has his print, his logo all on the inside of the box. I keep the boxes to all my bags as well as the dust bags to every bag that I do purchase. Guys, look at this beauty. Look at this freaking beauty. Look at this. Look at this. I wanted a bag like this that was black with the silver hardware. It's like a crocodile. Can you guys see it? It's like a crocodile texture on the bag. It's so freaking smooth. And I love this zipper here. I think that's really cute. And as far as the everyday bag, this is so big. I can fit everything in here. I love the handles. When you open it up, it does come with a shoulder strap. Oh, and the shoulder strap, I didn't know, is adjustable. You can adjust it to your size because y'all know I'm little. So I have to make everything like super small for myself. So I didn't realize how little I was until I was an adult. Like, literally my goddaughter tells me I'm the littlest person in the family. But look at this, guys. This, oh my god, guys, it's giving a vibe. Like, hold on, tell me I'm not giving rich aunt. Like, I feel like I should give all of you guys $20 bills. It's giving, who said who? Who said what? Y'all, this whole little shindig is a vibe. Hold on. Let me, since I done already showed y'all the bag, that means I can take the strap protector things off. Like, oh my god. Even the handles have crocodile. Y'all. This, fun fact, guys, I don't like sunglasses because I feel like my face is so freaking little that when I put the sunglasses on, I feel like all I see is sunglasses. I don't even see my face. Like, what? Anyway, and just in case you're wondering if you did like these shades, these are Prada shades. And I'll try to find a link to link them if you did like them, but I don't really wear glasses that often. This bag, honey. Anyway, thank you guys for, I'm too dramatic. I need to relax. Like, what the hell be wrong with me? Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Basix try on haul / loungewear. And I hope y'all like my bag because I am in love with this bag so much. I will link this bag down below. This bag was actually a gift, so I'm not too sure about how much it costs, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys. Look, I'm so pressed to hit a bag in the video. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.